My name's Ernie and this is a 2017 bike check. I got these chrome fit scumbag bars, 9.4 rise, 27 wide, with some Fit Tech grips, some Merit bar ends, plastic, really strong for being plastic. Got a Merit top load stem with the Merit headset cap, high top. Some chrome fit blade forks, V3, 33mm offset. A Merit Battle front rim with the Merit non-stop front hub and some Merit tension hub guards. I got Brandon Vegan Signature GFE pegs, 4.75, 2.35 Merit Aqua tires, the option ones. I got a Brandon Vegan Signature fit frame, 20.5, Merit bottom bracket, some Merit cranks, spline, the spindle spline drive, some Merit P1 pedals. For my back wheel, I got the Merit Battle rim laced to a Merit final drive, left-hand drive, with the Diamond 9-tooth driver, with some more Brandon Vegan Signature GFE pegs, 4.75. We got a fit seat, Merit option tire on the back. For my sprocket, I got the Brandon Vegan Signature Merit Pentagard sprocket, 25 tooth, and my chain I have a Shadow Conspiracy V2 interlock chain, and I got a G Sport driver guard. And that's
Ride today at first because I went home and the whole living room was so clean. I just sat down on the couch for a cool minute.
all day. And that's my bike check. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.